Okay guys, so I'm trying out this new Reviere blow dryer. This vacuum is loud. I'm gonna call it a vacuum. I'm gonna mute this out. I just want y'all to hear that, how it sounds first before we begin. So I put this in my hair all over, and I put my hair in twists and like chunky twists and detangled it. Make sure you guys get a heat protectant. This is my favorite Magango oil, my All Organics thermal heat protection. Guys, if you didn't catch the Black Friday sale, what you waiting for? This stuff is bomb. I ordered like, I think I ordered 9 of these or 7 or something like that. Yeah, so I quit this on Black Friday. It was about $3.20. It's like a big, my daughter's holding the other end, big old like little mini vacuum cleaner, literally. So we're gonna see, this is like the little hose area, and you just put your hair in it. My hair is only like 5 inches, so I think it said you up to start at 3 inches. I put it on, I'm gonna start it out on 6 and see. So we're just gonna just jump right into it. I watched a lot of reviews, so I hope I get it right. So we're gonna start with we'll start with that one first. And they said if your hair is really thick, my hair is 4C texture, so I just put just a little bit. I washed my hair, conditioned it, deep conditioned it, all that. If you see me looking down, I'm looking at the mirror so I can see what I'm doing. All right, so let's start. All right, I'm gonna mute it out, guys. The heat setting is on here. I had to go get the book and like read it and see, because that was a cool setting. So one will be one is the normal, 2 the heat chambers, 3. Okay, so
to the spot, and they know it's enough to go down. Start a party, we're vibing, rocking nobody around. We roll up. We roll up.
Action.
are the results, guys. My hair feels really soft. It feels really the roots feel just a little bit damp, I think, because I didn't leave it on long enough, but it's still dry all over. My hair never looks this, you see that, fluffy. Like when I blow dry, it still be kind of like a tad bit stiff. See the back?
Stand on my back.
See that, guys? So I'm surprised, just like everybody else that use it. It stretched my 4C hair out really well and really quick. I will come back with the pros and the cons of this Reviere blow dryer in a minute. Okay, guys, so I am really excited about this blowout, guys. My hair feels amazingly soft. It feels soft when I use the regular blow dryer as well. I think it's because of this, so I think that's the reason why my hair feels soft. But also this thing as well, because it's not a lot of heat. It's heavy. Okay, would I recommend this to everyone? Not for somebody that's just blow drying their hair, just one head, no. But if somebody that's like for yourself and you got a lot of heads, like a lot of hair, kids and stuff like that, yes. But not if it's just, I feel like if it's just you can just use the regular blow dryer that you've been using. It's not worth the coins that they charge you now. They charge way more. It's cheaper, yes, but not for the price. Not for one person. It's really high. It's not cheap. Nope, it's not cheap at all. But because I do a lot of heads and I'm always doing my kids' hair all the time, they have a lot of hair, plus myself. And I do my daughter's friend's hair and my friend's hair. This is a good investment for me because I have a lot of heads to do. But if you don't have a lot of heads to do, I don't see that you could just get this from a regular blow dryer in a little bit more time. The time was like that. I did get it done really fast, really straight. It's really stretched out a lot. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, look, all this volume, all this stretch. My hair, it's pretty darn stretched. I can give myself a nice good trim now because it's really stretched out and it took no time at all. I think this was a good buy Black Friday for me and my kids. So yeah, I am impressed. I will come back and I will show you guys me doing the girls' hair and give you how they feel, how the results that I get by blowing out their hair. What else? So yes, I would recommend this to mommies with one or more kids. Yes. What else? It's very quick, extremely too damn high. Yes, it is high. Good investment. Save your arms. Oh, it's very heavy. This is like a vacuum cleaner. Yes, it's very heavy. Your arms will hurt. You will gain some, you know, my arms. I did a good workout. I don't even gotta go to the gym. You gonna get your workout. And I let my daughter do the back of my hair because it's really easy for anybody to do it. You just put it on there and you just hold it 90 seconds, take it off. 90 seconds for my texture because I have 4C thick, coarse, dense hair. But if it's straighter, you could do 30 seconds, wavier, 60 seconds, and 90 would be me. Very heavy. This thing is like long. It's a lot of it. A lot. Storage. It's gonna have to go under the sink. I will pull it out every time I need to use it. I probably only blow dry our hair once every maybe 4 to 5 months, because I usually do what is it? I usually will do a trim then. This was perfect because it gets it nice and like stretched out to the max. I could have got it straighter, but I didn't want to go too far with my first time. So I'm gonna do a braid out, pop some pictures in tomorrow and show you guys the results. But I'm loving the results of this blowout. All right, guys.